Any doubt? Not yet. Okay. So we will start the session. Let's. Yesterday, what you have talked about the advanced permissions, right? Yes. SUID, SGID, and sticky pit, right? Have you
Yes, sir.
practiced? Have you practiced? All of you have practiced.
No, sir.
All of you have practiced, right? All of you have practiced this SUID, SGID, and sticky bit.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Why? Why? You have not practiced?
Sir, today I was busy. I was out. Just now I came, sir.
And what about Ragini, Naresh, Furkan, and Hushain?
Sir, from tomorrow I have exams, sir. So I was at the college.
From the first of the class, you are getting surrendered that I'm not reading anything. Okay, no problem. So please, guys, I will. There is Saturday and Sunday, so you can read on that day. Okay. So today we will discuss about ACL permission, right? I told you there are three types of permissions we have. One is basic file permission, advanced file permission, another is ACL permission, right? In advanced file permission, we are having three permissions, that is CUID, SGID, and sticky bit. And the last permission we are going to read, that is access control list or ACL permission. Write it down, ACL permission or access control list. ACL permission, ACL stands for access control list. ACL stands for access control list. Using the ACL permission, you can give the permission to a particular user. Using the ACL permission, you can give the permission to a particular user. Written?
Particular user, sir.
Yes, particular user. And that particular user can manage the files or folders. And that particular
That particular user.
can manage the file or folder. Okay. Written? All of you have written?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So see here, guys. Suppose if I will give the permission to other users, how can we give the permission? Suppose I want to give for the other users a read and write permission. What will be the command? How can we give it?
chmod
Chmod.
o plus
Yes.
Yes.
O plus.
Yes.
I want to give read and write. O plus RW, right?
Yes. O plus RW.
O plus RW, then space, then the file or folder name, correct?
Yes.
At that time, if except user owner and group owner, whatever the users you will be having, all the users will be have what is the permission? Read and write,
Read
correct?
and write. Yes.
Yes. At that time, if I will tell you in other users, there is Himanshu, there can be Himanshu user, there can be user 1, user 2, user 3, user 4, lots of user. Except user owner and group owner, whatever the user we will be having, that is known as your other users, correct? Yes.
Yes.
Yes, but at that time, if I will tell you, I want that user one can only read the file. User one will be inside other users or not? Yes,
Yes.
user one. It will be in other user. We can count. We will count this user one as the other users or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So, but I want user one should read my file. Okay, and user two should execute my file. Are you getting my point? User 1,
Okay.
user 2, user 3, user 4 will be other users, right? But when you will talk about some particular user, suppose for the user 1 I want to set a read permission, for user 2 I want to set only execute permission, for user 3 I want to set read and write permission. At that time, how can we give the permissions? By the mode command, can I give the permission?
Yes.
No, I can give by chmod command. So what will be, so can you have say yes, you have said yes, Ragini. So how can I give in chmod command for user 1, user 2, user 3 as different permissions? We can give same permission for the other users, right?
Okay.
By chmod command. See, I'm
Yes.
creating a file, you will be confused otherwise. Suppose I'm creating a file, okay? KK file. If I will put ls-lkk, can you see my screen, guys?
Yes.
Yes. So for other users, what is the permission for the other users?
Read.
Only read permission, because I told you the last three will be for the other users and it is only read. In other users, we will be having user 1, we will be having user 2, you will be having Himanshu user, you will be having Ragin user, you will be having Naresh user, correct? But in case if I'm telling you particular Naresh user can read and write the file, not Ragin user, at that time what you will do, can I give the permission with chmod command?
No.
If I will give chmod command, chmod o plus, suppose I'm giving o plus rw, then file name is kk, o plus rw. If I'm giving the permission, this rw permission is given to the other users, right? Inside the other
Yes.
users, all the users are there, right? But my question is, what in from these other users, I have some particular users, user 1, user 2, Naresh and Ragini, who will be having only read write, and except those we will be having only read permission. Are you getting?
Yes.
Yes, at that time we can't use this chmod command, guys. Okay, so at that time we have to use this ACL permission. So why we are using this ACL permission? This ACL permission can be given to a particular user. This ACL permission can be given to the particular use. Sorry, if we will talk about any file, we are giving the ACL permission to the Himanshu user, so that Himanshu user can only read this file. Okay, are you getting my point or not, guys?
Yes.
And if we will
Yes, sir.
talk about user one user, this user one can only be write the file kk file inside this kk file. Okay, all of you have got it, or I will repeat it again? Okay, I'm repeating again.
Sir, please repeat it.
Wait, I'm doing it, I'm doing like this. So these all are my other users, guys. Inside these other users, I'm having user 1, user 2, Himanshu user, user 4, user 3, and user 5. Okay, inside this, so all total is my other users, correct? Suppose I am having only this other users, only these other users I'm having only. Okay, user 1, user 2, Himanshu, user 3, and user 5. Okay, these 5 are my other users. I'm counting as these 5, only these 5 are other users. Okay, now if I want to give chmod o plus rwkk, okay, o plus rwkk, then user 1, user 2, Himanshu, user 3, user 5 will be having rw permission or not?
Yes.
Yes, yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Because these are
Yes,
these
sir.
we are counting as the other users, and other users is having rw permissions. All those users, user 1, user 2, user 3, user 5, and Himanshu user will be having rw permission. Yes, are you
Yes,
agree
sir.
with me? Yes, but at that time my question is what, My question is what I don't want user one should read and write. User one, sorry, it will remove all. User one will user one will have only write permission, not read and write permission. Are you getting?
Okay.
And user two will be having only execute permission, not read and write permission.
Okay.
Yes. And Himanshu will be having only read, write, execute permission. Fine. At that time, can I use the chmod command? Because chmod is chmod command we are using to give the permission to all the other users, right?
Yes, sir.
Not for a specific user. But ACL permission we are using to give the permission to a specific user. Himanshu is the other user and it is a specific user. User one is count as the other user, but I'm using as a specific user. Okay, at that time we have to use this ACL permission. Got it?
Yes, sir.
All of you have got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Himanshu.
Okay, so now we will see in ACL permission what is the command we are using, guys. There is a command called getfacl. If I will put getfacl and the file kk, we can also see these things, guys. So file name is kk. This owner is known as your user owner, guys. Okay, so you can see with ls-l command, getfacl command also you can see, guys. So user owner is what? Root. Group owner is what? Root. User owner is user owner is having which permission? Read and write permission. Group owner is having which permission? Only read permission. And other users is having which permission? Read and write permission. Just now I have given this read and write so that it is given. Correct? Have you got it? All of you have got it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What?
Okay.
It gets
Get FACL. Get FACL, then the file name or folder name. One second. One second. Yes, have you written? So get FSL is a command we can check the permissions. Now, how to set the permission? Suppose I'm having a user called Himanshu user. So Himanshu will be count as the other user or not? Yes.
Yeah.
I want this Himanshu can only read this KK file. So how can we set the permission to this Himanshu user so that he can read this KK file? So there is a command called setfacl to set the permission. Getfacl to get the permission, setfacl to set the permission. Setfacl hyphen m for modify, and user u colon, then I'm putting as Himanshu, and after that colon, what is the permission I want to give? Only read permission. So r, there is no write permission, there is no execute permission, so hyphen, then space, what is the file name? KK file. Enter. Got it?
Yes.
So now Himanshu is a user who is having read permission to this KK file. If you want to check with getfacl command, we can also check getfacl kk. Can you see, guys? There is a user called Himanshu and it is having what is the permission? Read
Read.
permission. Got it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
This user should be exist, guys. If this user won't be exist, you can't give the permission to that user, right? You know this one also.
Yes.
Write it down. So setfacl is a command we can give the permission. We can give the ACL permission to a particular user.
Sir, when you're adding a other user, why is it coming under per, user permission? Why not under other permission?
Sorry.
When you're adding another user,
Mhm.
why is it coming under user permission? Why isn't it coming under other permission?
Uh, I'm not getting. So you are telling like why this Himanshu user is coming under to this user,
Yeah.
right?
Why isn't it coming under others? Because
It,
Himanshu is other, no?
where it is other? Here other is having RW permission, right? I'm
See,
telling that I'm giving a permission to a particular user, right?
yes,
Now
sir.
it is showing user then Himanshu, and it is having our permission, read permission, right?
Okay, okay.
See, so you will tell me that other user is having RW permission, and Himanshu, we are counting Himanshu as the other user. But here, which permission it will take by this Himanshu? This permission will take by Himanshu, read permission, not read and write permission. Okay.
Still Himanshu is another user, right?
Yes, still Himanshu is the other user. We if we are
Oh,
giving with setfsl command, Himanshu can only read the file. Okay, it can't write the file. It can't write anything inside this. Got it, Naresh?
yeah, yeah. Got
Sir, if we change any uh, this permissions, read, write, or something in the other user, if we
Mm-hmm.
change, then it will
Mm-hmm.
implement to the whole users of other user, or where it
No,
will implement?
if you're specifying any users here, if you're specifying any users with any permissions, then it won't depend upon these other users. Okay, you can give any permission to these other users. Okay.
Okay, then that the Himanshu user, what you're using is the other user, right?
Yes, it is another user. But
Then,
as an please
huh,
please continue.
then what is the difference in this other and
Mm-hmm.
that Himanshu other user?
See, in other users, there won't be only Himanshu user. There will be user one, user two, user three, user four. Thousand of users will be inside this other user, right?
Yes, sir.
And I'm specifying, I'm collecting one user from there, and I'm collecting this Himanshu user. I'm giving it only read permission to him. That means if Himanshu now wants to write inside this file, he can't write. Why? Because only he is having read permission.
Okay.
Okay.
Got it?
Uh,
All of you have
I
got it?
I got
Yes,
that
sir.
specific thing. I got that, but other see, if that Himanshu is there, na Himanshu exists in the other user, right?
Yes, it is an other user.
So in the top of view, we can see in the bigger picture is that it is the other user. The read and write permission, what it is existing
This one,
in
right?
that only, in that section only that Himanshu exists, right?
Yes, inside that Himanshu is exist, but now I have taken that user and given this read permission. So Himanshu come out from there, and the permission it is given as read permission.
Otherwise the
Otherwise, the
inside,
Himanshu, if you are not giving, you are not specifying this permission to this Himanshu user, Himanshu
huh,
can also read and write it.
okay, if we
uh,
specify, then it will
Yes,
comes
yes,
out
yes,
with the
yes.
other permissions.
Other, yes, exactly.
Okay, okay.
see,
Thank you, sir.
understood. See, there are how many other users are there? Four, I think, right?
I'm no no
Or
no
two?
no not four,
No.
not four. Except user owner and group owner. If you're adding any users, that will be known as your other users. If I will add some more
Ah,
users,
understood. So have
I
you
have
have
not
not
ever
added anybody.
Naresh, I have not ever count how many users I am using here. If you will open etc password file, you can count over there. Okay. I have not ever count how many users I'm using here, because any
No,
like
no.
I'm taking the I'm yes please, yes
Ah,
Naresh.
carry on, carry.
Actually, I'm taking the class
Ah,
from
see
according
what
to
I.
time. So I'm adding a lots of user here. Okay. So whatever the user I'm adding, it is known as also on your other users. It will be counted as another users. Okay. Except your user owner, except your group owner, whatever the users you will be having, that is known as your other users. Got it? If you're adding any users, then if you have a default users also, that will be also called as your other users. That will be counted as the other users. Got it, Naresh?
Got it. See,
Yes.
actually, what I was thinking is,
Mm-hmm.
suppose, so
Mm-hmm.
take in my case, suppose
Yes.
I've added two users, okay?
Okay.
Then
Okay.
I've given, by default, they are the RW permission, right?
Okay.
By default,
Mm-hmm.
okay? So now I've moved them to read permission. Then still this other colon RW will exist or not? I want to see anyway. I will see. I will go back.
No, no, no. Please tell that question. Please tell the question clearly.
Huh.
I just
See,
want to listen that question again.
See, what I am asking is, see,
Hmm.
I have created a user. Okay,
Okay, how
I have
many users
created
do
two
you have?
users,
Okay, those two users are other users, right?
two,
Okay, those two users are
right?
we are
Okay,
counting as the other users.
correct. By
Okay.
default, they have the permission of the read and write access.
Okay,
Okay.
read and write permission for those two users, correct.
Now I am shifting user one only for read,
Okay.
and the second user I am shifting them to execute.
Okay.
Okay. Then
Okay.
the last column other, will it
Mhm.
exist or not? I
Yes, it
want
will
to
be exist.
see anyway
Yes, it
because
will
you
be
are
exist. Yes, it will be exist. Why? Because after that, if you're going to any add any other users, then they should have this permission RW. Are you getting?
Mhm.
No, you have not got.
Got
You
it.
have not got. You have not got.
You
Got it.
draw
Got it. Got it. Got it.
Listen,
Got it.
no,
Got it.
listen. Listen. After giving the user one as read permission and the user two as execute permission, you have those two other users. So you are telling that this other column RW will it remove after giving the permission to user one and user two, right? This is the question for you. This is the question, right?
Uh-huh.
Yes, I am telling it should be there. It will be
Yeah.
there
Yeah.
because
A question
after
is that other will be no no. Oh,
yes, question.
hello.
What is the question? Yes, Naresh.
Other will be there, but the permission will exist or not? I want to.
Yes, permission will be
Other
exist.
other
Permission
will
will
be
be
there
exist.
by the,
Yes,
yeah. Okay,
permission
fine.
will also exist. Why? Because after giving the permission to your user one and user two, later on if you will add any user, those user will be having permission is RW. Okay, because
Okay.
they will be count
Got it.
as
Got
the
it.
other users. Okay, all of you have got it.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes, Hemant.
next to that, if you are having a specific group, guys, okay, a specific group, how can we give the permission to a specific group? Suppose I'm having a group called group one. Suppose I'm adding a group here, group one. So and inside this group one we are having suppose 5 users. Okay, fine. Are you getting my point? You know, guys, how can we add the users inside the group, right?
yes.
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 Now inside this group one, I'm having 100 of users. I told you I want this 100 of users should have read and write permission. So what you will do? Will it possible to give one by one by one? No. So what you will do? You will collect those 100 users and you will made a group. You will make a group, right? And the permission you will give to the particular group. Got it?
Yes.
Yes. So how can we give the permission to the particular group? Setfacl
Setup.
hyphen m, then here we have to put G, then the group name, group one, then colon, what is the permission I want to give, suppose rw hyphen, then the file name is text, enter. Now the group one will be what is the permission for this group one, guys? Read and write permission, correct?
Yes.
Yes, inside this group one, whatever the users you will be having, all of these users have this rw permission. Fine.
Okay, sir.
Yes, this is how we can give the permission to a particular group. Now you people will tell me how can give the permission for the other users.
Sir, can you repeat it?
How can we give the permission? How can we give the permission for other users?
Okay.
Ragini, how can we
Site
give the
FSCL
Set FACL.
okay?
Okay.
hyphen M.
My
Hyphen
question is
M
what, guys? My
is O.
question is what, guys? My question is what? How can we give the specific permission to other users, right?
Yes.
So why should not I will use this chmod command? Because chmod command also I can give for all the other users, correct?
Yes. Sir, then other for group also for giving RW
I'm not
permission
specifying
for
any
group, you can use ch mode command also.
no, we can't because here we have grouped this root group, right? Inside this root group, We are giving the permission, group owner, but I'm specifying a group, particular group, right? Group 1, group 2, group 3. Yes, Atik, are you getting?
Okay.
Yes. I think you have not got people. Let me tell it again for the other users, guys. By the help of chmod command, we can give the permission to the user owner, group owner, other users. Yes,
Yes.
yes. But for ACL permission, we are using for a particular user for a particular group. Fine,
Okay.
Naresh,
Hmm.
are you getting?
Yeah.
So when I will talk about this other users, why? So you will come to the setfacl command. That's correct. But you have this option chmod command, right? We can directly give chmod command o plus rw and kk. It will give all the other users with read and write permission. Yes,
Yes.
we can also give with setfacl command, guys. Let me show you. Setfacl hyphen m, then o colon, what is the permission? Suppose I want to give read write and execute, space, then kk. Like this we have to give. Now if I will put getfacl file name kk, and sorry, getfacl file name, yes, I can check. Yes, other users is having this rwx permission. Got it?
Yes, sir.
All of you have got it? Also we can see, guys,
Yeah.
if I
Yeah.
will tell you kk should have, other users should have rwx permission for this kk file. We can also use chmod o plus rwx kk. Yesterday we have learned, right?
Yes, sir.
We can also use this setfacl command, guys. All of you have got it? Please do respond, otherwise I won't go to the other chapters. Have you got it or not? Or else I will read it. I will, so I will tell you again, guys.
Can you repeat it, Himanshu?
Which one? Other
This
users?
last one. Yes.
The last one, other users, right? The
Yes.
question, how can we give the permission to the other users? By using chmod command. Suppose for the other users I want to give read permission. How can I give?
CH
Chmod
Chmod
O
O
plus
plus
R.
o plus read
R.
permission r, then the
R.
file name.
File name.
Yes.
Yes. Also we can give by this setfacl command. Setfacl hyphen m o colon r hyphen hyphen, then kk file.
Okay.
Got it? Got it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Any other questions, guys? Naresh, Atik, all of you I'm asking. Ajay?
Sir, for the
Okay.
specification, we have to use the setfacl command. In the
For this,
ch mode, we can't specify.
no, we can't specify.
Only we can change the user
So,
group and the other. Not in that.
no.
In the users,
Okay.
if we go, we can't specify. You're saying, right?
No, Furkan, listen. Suppose if I will tell you I want to give the permission to the Himanshu user by using chmod command. Have I told you? How can I give the permission to the Himanshu user? No, right? I have told you we can give the permission by chmod command to the user owner, group owner, and other users. Correct?
Yes.
Yes. But I have not told you how can we give the permission to the Himanshu user by using chmod command. Have I told?
No.
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 So that is why. So Himanshu is which user? Other users, right?
Yes, sir.
It is counting as the other users, but Himanshu is a particular user. For Himanshu user I want to give read permission, not for other users. I want to give for only Himanshu user. For that reason we are using this SCL permissions.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Any other doubts? Naresh, have you got it?
Yeah.
I have just one doubt, sir. We could also
Yes.
give that RW permission for group with
Okay.
CH mode now. If we go into CDKK, then can we give that?
No, we can't.
CH mode G plus RW, then group name.
How could we are giving the permission to a file, not group. Where you are telling ch mode, then
No, first CDKK, then CH mode.
okay. There is a file. I'm creating the file cat kk. This file, it is a file, it is not a directory. Kk file I have created.
Okay.
Yes. So you are telling that ch mode, then
G
G plus
plus
RW.
space group one, like that.
Group
If you
one
are
is the group name. Group one is the group name. We are giving the permission to the file or folder. We are not giving the permission to the group one.
okay, okay, okay.
Yes. So if I will give, okay, so ch mode G plus RW, then KK file, correct?
Yes.
So where I'm mentioning this RW permission, we to which I'm giving this RW permission
KK.
to the to the group owner.
Ah, yes.
Ch mode G plus, what is the permission I want to give RW, then KK file, right?
Yes.
ls hyphen l KK. What is the permission it is given to the group owner? What is the permission it is given to the group owner?
RW.
RW hyphen,
RW. Yes.
correct? RW hyphen we have given. So group owner it is what? Root, correct?
Yes.
But I want to give the permission to the group one, not root. To a specific group I want to give, so that I'm used here. I'm used your setfacl command. Got it? Or still you
If
have
we
doubts?
change that group owner name to group one, then
Group one will be, if you, group one will be not exist, right?
okay.
You're telling group one will be not exist, after that what will happen?
No, no. If we change that root group user,
Yes, if you're changing the group owner to group one, then group one can read and write the file.
okay.
You can do like this. But I don't want it should replace this root. Root will be there, but different group name I'm creating here. Group one.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
In
Simultaneously, if I will tell you group one, group two, group three, what you will do? You will give first for the group one, then after you have to give for the group two, then after you have to give for the group three. No, you can directly give like this, right?
okay, okay.
Yes. So that is what your SL permission is. SL permission generally we are giving to a particular user, a particular group. Okay. All of you have understood? Should I go ahead?
No, sir. Can
Yes,
you
sir.
show me the command of setfacl for other users? Once
Uh,
I didn't write it.
this one.
Okay.
And this is what your permission, guys. So we have discussed everything: basic file permission, advanced file permission, and ACL permission, guys. Okay. So today we are going to discuss those new topic with inode number and link. Write it down, guys. Inode number. And guys, on Monday I will definitely ask some question. After that I will go for the session. 30 minutes I will ask questions, and after that from 8:30 to 9:30 I will take the class. Okay, from on Monday.
That,
Okay,
sir,
sir.
that in the previous command set FSCL, then what is -m?
Hyphen m modify.
Modify. Okay.
All of you have remembered, guys. On Monday I will 30 minutes I will ask the question, and rest 1 hour I will take the class. Okay. That doesn't mean you people won't join, guys. So when you will join, then I will definitely ask the questions. Okay. For you,
Okay,
Atik,
sir.
I'm telling.
Okay.
Okay. Atik, are you a BTech student?
No, sir. Degree.
Degree student,
B-
or BTech, or what you have done?
BCA.
BCA. Okay, okay. And you act as a BTech student. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
write it down. Inode number.
I node. Can you repeat?
Yes, INODE.
Okay.
INODE. Inode number. Guys, for the user identification, what is that? For the user identification, what we have? For the user identification,
Good.
what we have? User ID, right? For the
Yes.
group, for the group identification,
Group ID.
group ID. So same thing, guys. What is this inode number? If you're creating any file or any folder in your Linux platform, the identification of that file and that folder is known as inode number. That means if you're creating any file, one inode number will assign to that file. Got it? And it is a unique identification number. Okay. If you are creating multiple files, then multiple inode number will be there. Got it? What is inode number?
No, sir.
Listen, for the user, what is the identification number? User ID. That means a specific user is having specific user ID. Different user is having different user ID. Correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
At the time, so same thing. If you're having some files, some folders inside my platform, inside my Linux platform, a different file is having different inode number.
Okay.
Okay, through
So
which
for
my OS can understand, yes, this inode number is given to this file, so this is the file. Okay, and this inode number is given to this directory, this inode number is given to this file. Like this, my OS can understand. Okay.
sir, this number is existing for the file or the directory or for the both?
Exists. No. So you're telling like file is having inode number and directory is having a different number, that you're telling?
Inode number is a default thing, no, for file.
Yes, file and folder. Yes.
File and directory also.
Yes, folder is
Folder
equals
is
to
directory
directory.
only.
File folder
Folder
is
is
directory.
directory.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, yes. So write it down. What is inode number? It is an unique identification number which is assigned to each and every file in Linux system. It is an unique identification number. It is a unique identification number which is assigned to each and every file in Linux system. File or folder, which is assigned to each and every file and folder in Linux system. Written?
Yes.
Okay, so let me create a file. I will check after that what is the inode number is given to that file. Suppose I am creating the file called file1, and if you want to check what is the inode number of this file1, we have to put ls hyphen id. If I'm putting ls hyphen id, not d, ls hyphen I, then the file name, it will show you what is the inode number. Okay, so what is the inode number of this file, guys? 263.122.2.0. And how can we check what is the command we have? ls hyphen I, then the file name, it will show you the inode number. If I will create a different file2, it will be given as a different inode number, ls hyphen I, then file2, the different inode number will be assigned to this file. And we can't change the inode number, guys. If you will tell me that I have changed user id, group id, I have also changed, can I change the inode number? No, I can't change. If you will move any file, the inode number can, no, if I'm copying any file, the inode number can be changed. But if I'm moving, we will see that. Okay, first write it down. Till this we will discuss. Have you written how can we check the inode number of a file?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Let's talk about the directory. If I'm creating a directory with kk, and okay, kk is already exist, let's check what is the inode number of this kk directory. To check that, we are having this ls hyphen id. For the directory, we are putting ls hyphen id, then directory name. So it is a different inode number which is given to this kk file, guys. ls hyphen id we can check. Written.
Yes, sir.
We will check one thing, guys. If I will copy a file, can you tell me whether the inode number will change or it will be same? If I will copy a file, can I erase
Same.
this one? I will clear the terminal. Okay,
Yes.
let's create a file. I'm creating the file with file3. Okay, how can I check the inode number? ls hyphen I, then the file3. What is the inode number it is given to this file, guys?
Yes.
263.122.2.5. This is the inode number is given to this file3. How can I copy a file to another file? Atik, how can we copy
CP
a cp
file one file source file destination file.
source file destination file? Do I have to create the destination file, or else it
May
will
automatically create.
yes. So if I will put file 4, now the file 3 has been copied to this file 4, guys. So let's
Yes.
check. Can you tell me what will be the inode number of this file 4? Is it same, guys?
No.
No, sir.
No, it is different. So write it down, guys. When you will copy a file or directory, the inode number will change.
When we copy a file,
The inode number will different. The inode number will be different. In case if I will move the file, guys, let's see. I'm moving the file. How can we move the file, guys?
MB.
MB. Suppose I'm moving the file from file 3 to file 4. So file 3 is having 2631225 inode number. I'm moving the file to file 5, and now file 3 is not exist. Let's check what is the inode number of file 5 that we have moved. ls-i file 5. Can you see, guys, what is the file 3 inode number? What was the file 3 inode number? It was given the same inode number to file 5 after moving the file. Got it?
Yes.
Write it down. When we're moving the file, the inode number will be same.
Yeah, Himanshu.
Yes, please.
Yeah, is there any limitation for inode numbers?
No, no limitation.
Okay.
Written all of you?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's discuss link. So what is link, guys? Write it down. Link. One type of copy also we can say. Links. It, okay, write it down. Link. The combination of multiple files we can say as a link. Yes or no? The combination of multiple files. Yes. Suppose I'm linking one file to another file. Are you getting my point? What I'm telling?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Link. So write it down. What is link? The combination of multiple files are known as is known as link. And there are two links we have here. One is hard link, another is soft link.
so can we say connection?
Combination of multiple files.
Sir, in previous inode number, you have told about only files, not the directories. Is it the same with the
Yes,
directories
yes,
also?
yes, 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 yes. It is same with the directory. If you will copy, the inode number will change, and if you will move the directory, the inode number will be same.
Okay, sir.
And link we have talked about. So hard link and soft link, right? So how can we create? Okay, let me remove some files here. File one, two. Okay. I'm creating a file over here, guys. The file name is file1. Okay, and I'm linking this file1 to file2. Okay, how can we create okay, before that I will check what is this inode number for this file1. What is the inode number? 263.12220. Okay, now how can we create a hard link? Okay, there is a command called ln then file1 file2. It will create the hard link between 1 and 2. Enter. Now, you guys are there now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So,
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Sir.
Yes, yes.
Now I have created the link between this file1 and file2. Now check, if I will check ls hyphen I, the inode number of file2. What is the file? What is the inode number of this file2, guys? It is same as file1 or not?
Same as well.
Yes. So write it down. When you will create and okay, write it down this command how to create the hard link between two files, ln then the file1 file2. This is the hard link, and when will hard linking between two files, the inode number will be same. When you're creating the hard link between two files, the inode number will be same.
Sir, what are the advantages of hard linking? What is the usage?
We will see that. Written till this.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, if I will hard link this file to file1 to file2, now if I will delete this file2, sorry, if I will delete the file1, the source file, if I will delete rm-rf, then file1 and sorry, file1, and I can see that file2 is already exist, correct? Yes, and this is the merits of this linking of a file. If you will link the source file to destination file, if you will delete the main file, the duplicate file or the linking file will be still exist. Got it? But it won't happen in your soft link, guys. Okay, in soft link, if you will delete your main file, it will also delete your the linking file. Okay,
Okay, sir.
understood. Link or hard link, and then we will move for the soft link. Okay, and I'm giving some example for file 3 and file 4. Let me create a file called file 3, and I'm going to create a soft link between file 3 and file 4. For creating the soft link, we're having the command called ln-s. Okay, ln for hard link, ln-s for soft link, then the file 3 and file 4. So what is the main file I'm having? File 3. I'm linking to file 4 with the soft link. Okay, I'm okay, before that, before that, I will see the inode number of this file 3 also. What is the inode number of file 3? 263.12224. And if when I will soft link to another file, what will happen? File 3 to file 4, enter. Now I am checking the inode number of file 4. So is it same or is it different?
Different,
Different.
sir.
It is different, right? But when we have done hard link, was it same or different?
Same,
Same.
sir.
It was same. So always remember, when you are using this hard link, the inode number will be same, and when we are using this soft link, the inode number will be different. Got it?
Okay.
And so same thing if I will do here, guys, rm hyphen okay, please write it down. After that I will
Sir, in same in copy also, if we copy a file to B, if we delete a file, will the B file exist?
yes, if you will copy, the b file will exist. Generally you will just think about your windows machine. Okay, when you are copy a file, it will be there. When you are caught your file, it won't be there, right?
so Himanshu, after linking,
Mhm.
so after linking, if you edit file one, so the data will be returned to file one and file two, or else how it will be?
Both will be, it will be updated.
Okay, fine.
Okay, so now I'm going to delete one file, rm-rf file 3. Okay, file 3, the main file I'm going to delete, and after that I will check ls. Can you see here this file 4, it is in red color, that means file 4 is not exist, guys. Okay, got it?
Okay.
Fine. Hmm.
Yes,
So
sir.
in handling, when we have deleted the main file, the linking file was exist, but in case of soft link, when we're deleting the main file, the soft link will be also delete. So this is the difference between hard link and soft link. The first main difference is when we are linking, when we are hard linking a file, the inode number will be same, but when we are soft linking a file, the inode number will be different. And next is what, for the hard link, when we are deleting the main file, the destination, the linking file will be there, but in case of soft link, when we are deleting the file, the linking file won't be there. Okay, this is the two difference between hard link and soft link. I think all of you have got it. What about Naresh?
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, in the soft hard link giving an advantage, what is the advantage of the soft link?
It doesn't have any advantage. So if you are creating a file and you are linking a file, soft linking,
Huh,
you are deleting the main file.
huh.
Seriously, you don't have any advantages in soft link. We are creating only hard link.
Yeah, I found the advantage in the hard link. I couldn't
Mhm.
understand what is the advantage of creating the soft
so
link.
that so that I'm telling you this soft link, that it is a advantage in your hard link and it doesn't have in soft link. That is why I have told you this soft link. It doesn't have any advantage. This soft link is not secure. If you're deleting main file, the destination file won't be there, so it is not secure, right? The soft link.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, written all of you have.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Go for the next things and write it
Uh,
down.
Himanshu,
uh, yes, please, Ragini.
can you tell me the second difference? Like if you are deleting in hard link, what happens?
If you are deleting, you can see here, after deleting this file 1, that is my main file, the linking file is still exist, right? I
Hmm.
was linking file 1 to file 2, so if I'm removing this file 1, this file 2 is already exist, right? But in case
Yes.
soft link, when I'm creating soft link and I'm deleting the main file, it is also deleting the linking file.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
are you writing?
Done.
Road, sir.
Okay, done. Then we will go for file searching. Write it down, file searching.
Himanshu, how do we know that whether the file is having link or not?
If you will put, guys, ll, you can see like this. Can you see it is linking, file 4 is linking to this file 3.
Okay.
Sorry, file 3 is linking to this file 4. Okay,
Okay.
file 3 is linking to this file 4. If you will put ll, you can see like this.
Here it will show both hard link and soft link, right, sir?
Hmm, 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 hmm.
So it is only for files or else directories also?
Yes, no, 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 not for the file, only for the file. What is link? I told you, na,
Yeah,
combination of
combination
files.
of files.
Files only file, not for the directory.
Okay.
For the directory, we are using NFS. We will see also network file system. We will see. Okay. So, okay, file searching. Write it down. File searching. So, guys,
Himanshu,
yes, Naresh.
yeah, how do we differentiate, like, while see checking the linkage, then how do we differentiate with this file is these files are having soft link and these files are having hard link?
For the, okay, you're telling like, okay, so see here, for the hard link, it will only show you like this format, file 2, file 3, it will show. But for the soft link, it will show like this. You can only identify like this. There is no such a way we can identify for that, because for the soft link, it will show like this. You can see like this. Okay, but for the hard link, it won't show like this. Okay, there is only one way we can put ll and we can check like this. Okay.
Sir, we can also try deleting now. If we delete file 3, if the file 4 is there, then it's hard link.
Okay,
Soft link,
so
both will work.
to check your linking, and you will go to the delete the file, right? You're telling like that. So to check whether it is soft link or hard link, you are
Yes,
going
yes,
to.
yes.
So if you will be having if you are having any important file, then you will delete it.
No, I'll copy,
No,
copy.
No, don't do like that. Okay, don't do like that. Don't delete a file to just to check that whether it is soft link or hard link. Okay.
So you have said the multiple files. We can do multiple files at once.
No, no, no. Only two. Only two. We can link from one to one. Okay.
Mm, Then the definition was like the combination of multiple files are known as link.
See, I'm telling you as in file, if I'm adding any things, contents, everything. So combination of files means one to one. I'm not telling with different files also, right? Combination means in two files. I'm telling. Okay, not different files.
Yes.
If I'm talking about two, also it will be also we can talk as combination, right?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Huh. So we will go for this file searching. Write it down, file searching. So in Windows machine, how can we search a file by graphically? Directly there will be
Controller.
one control R, or there will be one search option where you can in. I'm telling about in your graphically. So there will be one option called search something. You just click on that, you will search any file and directly you can get from that, right? Yes,
Yes.
but in command line, how can we do that? We will go for this file searching, and there will be some specific commands we will learn that. Okay, so write it down. There are two commands to search files. There are two commands to search the files. One is locate, LOCATE. Another is find, FIND.
One is locate.
Another is find, FIND.
Sir, here in command in terminal, if we press Control R,
Mhm.
what is it? Can you click once Control R?
This is what you can search the previous command what you have written.
Okay,
Control
okay,
R. Suppose I will before that I used your ln command. It will show you the previous commands. Okay,
okay.
whatever the command you have executed, and Control C to exit. Control C. Uh, okay, written. So we will see here, guys. Suppose I am creating the file, and the file I have been created inside this. I'm been created this inside this. Which directory I have created this pp file, guys?
Root.
Which file?
Root.
Inside the slash root, correct?
Root, yes.
In
Uh,
locate command we can find, in find command also we can find, guys. But for the whenever we're using this locate command, before that we have to update our database. Unless until you have not updated your database, you can't use this locate command, guys. Let me put the locate command, locate and pp, and what it is showing is cannot start this no source file directory because we have not updated our database. To update the database, we are having one command called update db. It will update the database, guys. Okay, enter. It will take some time to update the database. After that, if I will use locate pp, it will show me where the pp file is. Are you getting?
yes, sir.
Let put here
So
locate pp. If I will put here locate people, okay. Am I going in speed, guys? Should I
No,
go
sir.
in slow? Is it fine?
Yes.
can you repeat once again, sir, please?
So, one second. Fine. Locate pp, right? Huh. So if I will put, if I'm putting this locate command, then you should have to update our database. Okay. Are you
Okay.
getting? You should have to update the database. Unless until you have not updated your database, it won't give you this locate. If you it won't give you the result. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So we have to put this locate pp. After putting this locate pp, you can able to find where the pp file is. Can you see here, guys? It is giving a lots of result here, right? So here also we need to search where is this pp file. So actually when we're using this locate command, it is finding where the pp keyword is there. So wherever it is finding this pp keyword, it is just showing the result. Okay. But what you will do, guys, you are not going to use this locate command. Why? Because it is not giving the accurate values, guys. Okay, it is not
Sir,
giving the
what if we
accurate
put
values.
locate slash root slash pp?
Okay, let's check. If I'm putting locate slash root, if you know the if you know the file is inside the slash root, so why you are going to put this
No,
locate command
maybe if I have a lot of files in of thousands of tens of thousands of files
inside
in root.
root slash root? So you are storing a lots of pp file inside the slash root.
No, if I have a lot of thousands of files like A, B, C, D, if my file is down, so it might take physically
Okay,
it might take lot of time, right?
you can check like this. If you're putting locate only slash root, it won't show you. So if I will put pp, it will show you that file. But you, if you know the pp file is inside this slash root, so why you are using this locate command, right?
Okay, okay.
So locate command, why are not going to use this locate command, guys? Why? Because we're not going to use this locate command. Why?
Because it doesn't
It is
show the
not giving,
specific.
yes, it is not giving the accurate values. It is not giving the accurate result that we are searching, right? So
Okay.
that we are not using this locate command. Understood?
Okay, sir.
Yes. So have we written for the locate command? We need to update our database by using update db command. After that, we can use this locate command.
Okay.
Okay. So that we are using this updated command that we have find. Okay. Are you people are getting or not? Rest of the people, why are not telling anything?
Yes, sir, getting.
Yes, sir, we are getting.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
fine. Okay. So now we are going to use this find. Okay, so write it down. Find. It sorts the file with the file size. It sorts the file with file size. It sorts the file with file size, file permission,
File size, comma file permission, sir.
file size, comma file permission. Then owner of the file, group owner of the file. Okay, and it will give a more accurate than locate command, and it will give more accurate result than locate command.
Okay.
Okay, so let's talk about, if I want to find that kk file, how can we find, guys? Is, have you remembered in file system hierarchy I have told you what is the main directory we have?
What, sir?
What is the main directory we have? in
In what?
Linux platform. In Linux platform, what is the main directory we have? Ragini,
Slash.
what about other people? Why they are not?
Is it slash?
Wait,
Slash root.
who is telling slash root? Furkan, right? For you, Ragini, what is this? What is the answer?
Question, Himanshu. Main.
What is the main directory we are having inside this Linux platform?
I don't know.
Naresh, Pravin, Hushain, Naresh.
What?
Sorry.
Sorry. What is the main directory?
What is the main directory in Linux platform? In Linux OS, what is the main directory we have?
Root.
Inside, no. Naresh,
Slash root.
slash root is where?
Slash.
Inside the slash. So slash is the main directory there. I have not told you inside the
Sir,
slash.
I told correct, sir.
Yes. I know Atik. So inside
Thank
slash,
you.
inside slash, bin is bin, proc, ron, then etc. Everything inside this slash, correct?
Yes.
Slash is the home directory.
Yes, slash is the main directory. Slash is the main directory where we all have all the directories. Okay, like bin. So if I'm storing the file here, touch kk, where I'm storing the file in slash root. So slash root is where inside the slash, correct?
Yes.
Yes. So wherever you will store the file, it will directly or folder, it will directly store inside the slash in Linux platform. Okay. So now if I will create the file in kk file, I've created the slash root. So if I will find inside the slash, can I find or not?
Sir, repeat again.
If I've created the file inside the slash root, I'm going to find inside the slash. Can I find the file or not?
Yes.
Yes, I can find. So
Yes, sir.
that we have to search all the files. We have to search all the files and all the directories inside the slash, so that it will be easy to find that, guys. So what should be the command? Find, then space, slash. So we are searching from the slash, space, then hyphen type. What you are searching, guys? F, correct? Space. Then what is the file I'm searching? KK file, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
So hyphen name, sorry, only hyphen name, not hyphen name, then space kk. If I will search, can I see here, guys? Kk file is there,
Yes, sir.
slash root slash kk, correct?
Yes, sir.
Have you got it? All of you have got it? All of you
Yes.
have got it? So same thing.
Got it.
If I will create a file inside the mnt, let me create the file in mnt. Touch ll slash mnt slash ll. Okay, I have created inside the mnt directory and the file is ll. So how can I search? Find, space, slash, hyphen type, f, what you are searching? File. So that I have put it here, elf. Then hyphen name, which file? The file name is kk, sorry, ll. So it is showing you that the file it is in slash mnt slash ll,
Okay.
correct? So write it down this one. This command you can write, or else you can skip this one, guys. Hyphen type f, you can also skip this one. Directly you can put find, slash, hyphen name, then ll. Okay, you can also find this one. But in
Sir,
case of,
is this find command admin command?
no, let me move to the
Because
student user. Let me move to the student user.
okay.
Find, I think so, let me check. Find slash hyphen type f, then suppose I'm searching a file called, let me create one file and I will search it. Touch, okay, and find slash hyphen name.
Hyphen name KK.
No, It is showing
I
permission.
just tried
Wait,
it.
wait,
It is
wait,
not.
wait. Why it is showing? Because it is we are searching inside the slash, correct? We are searching inside the slash. So slash this directory can only be accessed by the root user, not student user. Okay.
Okay.
But in that case, if you will search inside slash home slash student, you can search. Correct? Is it showing or not? Because slash
Yes.
is a directory which can be accessible by your root user. But that
Okay.
doesn't mean this find command is a administrative command. Okay.
Okay. Sir.
Yes, understood.
Okay. Okay.
Yes. So
Got it.
find command you can also use by in normal user. But main thing is what, if you're using any normal user, you don't have to place your slash. Why? Because slash is a directory, it can only accessible by root user. Okay. So if you want to search inside slash home slash student, you can search by the help of find command. All of you have got it or not?
Sir, if you're putting slash home slash student, then it is
Mhm.
giving the same now, so it is not useful here. Like locate.
No, if you want to create any directory, and inside the directory you will create 2 3 more directories, and you will, and after that you will create one file, and if you want to search this one, you can search. Are you getting?
Okay. If we put only home slash home, will it come?
No. Let's check slash home, I think let me check. Yes,
Because all the normal users are in slash
it
home.
can I think so. No, it is not checking. No. Yes, it is checking. Yes, this one, right?
Okay. Okay,
But
sir.
it is not checking with slash home slash devops and slash home slash Himanshu. Why?
Yes.
Because Himanshu is another user and student is another user, right? So whatever
Okay.
the files will be inside this KK, it can search from the student user only. Okay. Okay, so don't go for this like this tip. So understood, guys. How can we search a file and folder by using this find command?
What is that hyphen type F syntax?
Actually, we are searching the file, so that you have put your hyphen type F. If you are searching a directory, you have to put your hyphen type D.
Okay, okay.
All of you have got it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
so same thing, if I want to search a directory, suppose I've created a directory Himanshu, and I want to search with find command, find slash hyphen type, then F, sorry, what we are searching directory, so D, then hyphen name, and the directory name is Himanshu. If I will put here, guys, yes, I can see there is a directory called slash root slash Himanshu, and inside this slash home slash Himanshu is another directory also, D. Okay, in case if you want to search any directory, you have to put hyphen D, sorry, hyphen type D.
Sir, what if there's a file inside the directory? Will it show the entire path?
Yes, it will show you the entire path. And you can see I just searched this Himanshu, and it is showing slash root slash Himanshu, correct? That
Yes.
I can understand. Root inside slash root, there is a file called Himanshu. Okay.
Okay.
All of you have got it. How can we search the file and how can we search the directory by using find command?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
tomorrow we will see how can we search the file with file permission, how can we search the file with user owner and group owner also. Okay.
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 Okay, so I'm ending the session here, guys. So tomorrow at the same time we will see 8 o'clock. Okay, 8 o'clock we will see the rest of this.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Good night.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Good night.
Thank you, Himanshu.